tips for effective marketing and promotion of your service or product. Marketing tips. Understand your audience. Always know who you're targeting. Research your audience's pain points, interests, and behavior to create content that resonates with them. Focus on content marketing, consistent, valuable content. Blogs, videos, social posts builds trust over time. Share educational and engaging content to keep your audience hooked. Invest in SEO. Optimize your website and content for search engines. Higher rankings lead to more organic traffic, which is key for long-term growth. Build an email list. Don't rely only on social media. An email list allows you to nurture relationships with potential and existing customers over time. Leverage social proof. Positive reviews, testimonials, and case studies show credibility and help build trust with potential customers. Brand storytelling. Share your brand's story to create emotional connections with your audience. People are more likely to support brands they feel connected to. Data-driven decisions. Always analyze your campaigns and use the data to improve your marketing strategies. Understand what works and optimize accordingly. Promotion tips. Create urgency with limited time offers. Flash sales, discounts, and exclusive offers with a sense of urgency, like limited time or only X spots available. Encourage immediate purchases. Referral programs. Offer rewards or discounts to customers who refer others. Word of mouth is one of the most powerful promotional tools. Use paid ads. Wisely invest in paid campaigns. Google ads, Facebook, Instagram ads, but target them effectively. Focus on reaching your specific audience to maximize ROI. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers in your niche can give you access to new audiences and drive sales through trusted recommendations. Run contests or giveaways. Contests and giveaways encourage engagement and spread the word about your business. Use them as an opportunity to grow your email list or social media following. Seasonal promotions. Align promotions with holidays, special occasions, or seasonal trends. Limited time offers tied to specific events can create excitement and urgency. Bundle offers bundle related products together at a discount. This boosts average order value and encourages customers to purchase more.